Alright, in this video we're actually looking into editing our store pages. Yes, so we already looked into all the different things that you can do with the store itself, but how do you edit the pages? You can do that from edit store pages or just clicking on the builder. So there you go to your template that you have pre-selected with the creation of your website. So here you can see all the pages that comes with the design, and you can start customizing them with just your mouse. Now, first of all, you can access all the pages that are inside your website by clicking on the pages icon on the side. There you can see all the pages organized in folders. You can see the blog, the store, if you have some funnels, and you can see the system pages, which are actually the pages that we were editing in the previous videos about, like the product page, the catalog, the cart, and all the other pages. And here are the pages created by you that you can also delete. The system pages are not deletable, they're part of the whole website and the store. Now, here we have the home page, which you can again fully customize with just your mouse. So how do you use the page builder? First of all, everything is organized into blocks. So everything has a very nice hierarchy of organization. So you have your blocks, which is split into columns. And you can click and you can see how many columns you have inside your block. In this case, we have 2 columns, and you can adjust the size of the columns by using the handles. You can also split the columns into more columns if you need that for whatever reason. And if you're happy with your changes, you can also click on save, or you can discard the changes that were made. Like in this case, we just discarded. You can edit everything just by double clicking and start customizing your text. For example, the button, you can again double click and customize the settings. But every widget, when you click on it, you also have different options, not just the main one, but like the link, the styling of the button, which you have usually shortcuts in the first editing, but you can also click on an image, for example, and see the other options that you have there. So this way you can customize the website and the pages however you want. And the great thing is that you don't have to be a designer to create something really beautiful. First of all the templates, they come with amazing designs, so you can just start and customize slightly to your needs, and that's it. But if you want to add new things to your website, simply click on add block, for example, in this page, add a block, and you will see that it is added there. You don't really have to do anything. We already created so many different blocks that you can add anywhere onto your pages for any purpose. Videos, areas, for example, you want to add here instead of having whatever, and you can just add it, and you can see that it comes with all the styling of your website currently. And all you need is just to customize, double click and add a different video source, for example, to change the path of the button to go wherever you want it to go. It's really simple, and you can always go and undo if you don't want certain changes to be applied. Like in this case, we can go back and remove the added block. So you can customize everything however you want. You can delete, you can hide things, be as creative as you want to ensure that your customers are happy with your website. Some other things is that you can add different elements into your pages by using the add widget option. So you can add different elements into the page. Let's say that here you want to have some accordion for whatever reason. Let's say here you can just drag it, add it here, and you can see the blue line will indicate where exactly it will be added. And you can see the information that you can fully customize the design. You can resize it as well. You can do anything that you want. That's the beauty of it. You're not strict to the design that was coming with the template. You can fully customize it to your likes. Then you have on the side the option for global styling. So this is a quick way to change, let's say, the fonts and the colors of your whole design. So you don't have to do it manually. For example, the fonts. You don't like this font where it's everywhere for all the main headlines. You can change it to something different. Let's say Courier, because it's very different. That's why we're using this font for the examples. And you can change it for all the different places. The smaller headlines, you can apply it anywhere, and that will apply to your whole website that you have used the H tags, for example, the headlines or the paragraphs. You can also change to something else. It is that easy. Then if you want to go and change, let's say, the colors of your website. So this orange color is not your brand color, but you like this template. And let's say a green color is your brand color. And you can just select a different one, click on confirm, and that will change on all the places that you have used the global colors. It does not change here because this circle is actually an image that was added to the column. So if you click on the column, you'll see that you have an image as a background, which of course you can delete if you don't want, or you can add a different image that fits your needs. Again, you can discard changes. And you can see everything has changed to these new fonts, as well as the color that we have customized. So you can see how quickly we just turned this whole template into something different. And that's the beauty of it. Again, you can navigate to other pages of your store just by opening the pages and finding the page that you want to show and start to customize it. You can customize your header as well, which consists of your navigation, usually a logo that you have. Maybe you have a different line here on top that you can again fully customize and start changing. You can add new elements. Let's say that you want to add social media on top. You can just click on the plus, find the widget that you want to add. Let's say the social media. You just click one time and you can see that the information is here and it is already added into the top area. Same goes for the menu. You can customize what kind of menu items you have on top. You can add or remove your cart. You can add maybe a login page for users. You can add a search. You can add buttons. So anything that you want, you can customize. And again, it's just your mouse and just follow the settings of the widgets that you have, and that's pretty much it. It is that simple and easy to use. And lastly, we have the settings, which is basically where you can do stuff like adding some custom code to your pages, adding your SEO for that particular page, search engine optimization. You can also connect a custom domain to your store, different languages, applications such as like Facebook pixels, and other applications that you want to connect with, and some URL redirects and personalizations, which we have dedicated videos about. But yes, you have all these options in the settings of your store. Lastly is the website preview, which will show the current page that you're currently on. So this one is the contact page that we are editing, and we can preview how it looks. You can see how it looks on mobile as well. You can see how it scales down. Everything is looking really great on mobile devices too. So this is how simple it is to actually customize your website or your pages for your store to make sure that they're as appealing as they can be for your customers to convert into more sales. So this is it. I hope that you enjoyed. In the next video, we'll be actually looking into how to use funnels, sales funnels inside your store.